In this module, we will look at basic control statements. The objective will be to learn what is if control statement and when and how to use it. What is for control statement, when and how to use it. So let's look at the if control statement. So if control statement is used to change the flow of execution of the program. It has a general form which has if followed by the condition within the parenthesis followed by the statement that needs to be executed if the condition evaluates to true. So the condition is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value. If the Boolean value is true, the condition is met and the statement is executed. If the Boolean value is false, the condition is not met, then the statement is bypassed. For example, if number is less than 100, we have the print statement which says number is less than 100. So in this case, if number contains a value less than 100, then the condition is met and the println will be executed. If the number contains a value greater than or equal to 100, then the condition is not met and the println is bypassed. Let's look at an example of the if control statement. So we have class and a main method. So in this we have a variable x which is assigned a value of 10 and we have a variable y which is assigned a value of 20. Both x and y are of integer type. So next we have the if condition to check if x is less than y. So x less than y evaluates to true in this case and the print statement x is less than y will be printed to the console. Next, the value of x is multiplied by 2 and assigned back to 2. The next is we check if x is equal to y, and in this case, since x is 20 and y is 20, both are equal, the print statement x now equal to y is printed. Again, x is multiplied by 2, so the value is 20 into 2, which is 40, which is assigned to x. So, and when we check if x is greater than y, 40 is greater than 20. So it evaluates to true. Print statement x now greater than y is printed to the console. So the next if condition is to check if x is equal to y. In this case, since x is 40 and y is 20, which will evaluate to false and the condition is not met. So the statement you won't see this will not get printed to the console. So in this program, we see the following operators. We see the assignment operator, the less than relational operator, greater than relational operator, equality relational operator. Next, let's look at the for control statement. The for control statement is used to execute the statement a fixed number of times. So it has a general form for followed by parentheses, and within the parentheses we have three blocks: initialization block, the condition block, and the iteration block. Initialization block is to set a starting value to the loop control variable. Condition is a Boolean expression that tests the loop control variable. If the condition is met, then the loop continues to iterate. If the condition is not met, then the loop terminates. Iteration determines how the loop control variable is changed each time the loop iterates. Let's look at an example of a for control statement. We have a class which has a main method, in that we have a variable x of type int. So this is the loop control variable, and the initialization block initializes the value of x to 0. We have the Boolean condition which checks for x is less than 5, and the iteration block which is incrementing the value of x by 1 after every iteration. So in the first case, as we see in the output of this program, when the value of x is 0, it is less than 5, hence the print statement gets executed, and then the value of x is incremented in the iteration block. So now the value of x is 1, which is still less than 5. Again, the print statement is executed. The same continues for x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. The moment x is equal to 5, this condition is not met, and hence the print statement is not executed and the loop exits at this point. To summarize, we have learned how using if statement We can determine if a piece of code has to be executed or not based on a certain condition. The condition inside an if statement is an expression that evaluates to a Boolean value. If the Boolean value is true, the statement after the if executes, otherwise not. How a for statement can be used to go over a collection of items. The for statement is used when the number of iterations are known. The initialization block sets the initial value of the loop control variable. Condition block checks if or not further iterations are required. An iteration block alters the value of loop control variable depending on the requirement.